Tend khab kach vanan. A. Bad handwriting. B. It is a certain waterborne insect. C. The tip of a finger. Or D. Both A and B options are correct. The answer is D. Both A and B are correct. Khalar kach vanan. A small stone mortar used for pounding medicines. B. Dried skin of animals. C. To widen something. Or D. None of the above. The answer is A. A small stone mortar used for pounding medicines, etc. Khalar. Arakhor कमन छ ज्यादातर आसान. A. Boys. B. Girls. C. Elderly people. Or D. Kids. Arakhor छ ज्यादातर शुरन आसान. Answer is D. Dub dub wadirab kach vanan. A. An insult. B. A practical joke. C. Evil eyes. Or D. Jumping in muddy fields. Answer is B. A practical joke. Dabidab wadirab. Chalit chulit kach vanan. A. Exactly. B. Approximate. C. To give accurate answers. And D. Both options A and C are correct. Chalit chulit, both A and C are correct. It means exactly or to give accurate answers. Dabardain karun kach vanan. A. To build quickly. B. To eat quickly. C. To destroy quickly. Or D. None of the above. Dabar then karun gav, to destroy quickly something. Answer is C. Rench gachne kya gav? A. Cloth or garment is crease free. B. Cloth or garment becoming a rag. C. Ironed cloth or garment. Or D. Cloth or garment is not crease free. Rench gachne kya gav? It means B. Cloth or garment becoming a rag. Rench gachne. Changun kath chivanan. A. To be worried. B. To be happy. C. To rejoice. Or D. Both B and C options are right. Changun is both B and C. To be happy or to rejoice. Rezik kath chivanan. A. To take risks. B. Salary of a person. C. To fall sick. Or D. Daily bread and subsistence. The answer is D. Daily bread and subsistence. Rezik. Gretche wat katje wanan. A small object or a person, a large object or a person, some kind of a mortar, or D, to be breathless. Gretche wat. Gretche wat gauw, large object or a person. Yim is azik the peculiar kosher lafaz to tihund matlab अंग्रेज मंस बे मेलो एकलेटे नमस्कार तो ताम करता हूँ शेयर लाइक तो सब्सक्राइब तुहुन चैनल लर्न कश्मीरी विद अरिहंत